First stop of the day, AFE power. Kevin is returning his exhaust for some maintenance on it because he needs to get some things fixed on it. After this stop, he is taking me up to LTMW to pick up the BRZ. We got all the wheels in the back and we carefully placed his exhaust on top of all the wheels. It's pretty early this morning. We got a big day ahead of us. It's currently 7:55. I just took about an hour little nap on the way up here because, like that famous saying, a fool sleeps when he has to and a wise man sleeps when he can.
Trucks, brother.
Damn.
You gonna go truck shopping here or something?
I should, dude.
Here's a factory store.
Look at all those trucks.
Alright.
Got a 350, a Raptor. Look at me being a truck man now. I don't even have a truck yet and I'm geeking. On the way to LTMW, Miley will be in your presence in 1 hour. Dude, I'm seeing cops everywhere today.
I've seen so many cops. On the way up here through the 15, there was a cop every 2 miles.
And remember guys, don't forget the 29th of April, that's in like a week from now. We're all gonna be at AutoCon. Hunt & Go's gonna have a pop-up booth. And if you wanna see Miley for the first time in person, come to the show. It's gonna be really fun. You can use this code information right here and save yourself $5 on tickets. All right, today is the day, boys. I'm assuming Miley is inside the shop. I don't think she's out here, but it's always good coming here and seeing all these cars. That's a very interesting front bumper. So on the other side of the camera is the BRZ. I'm seeing it for the first time right now, and it looks so incredibly good. Good, dude. There are some minor things that we still need to do. We have the new wheels on the car. Those still need to go on this car. The diffuser still needs to go on, and then we're probably gonna need to trim the front bumper a little bit. And on the inside of the front fender, these AG wheels are so big that there's like barely any steering play. So we're gonna have to test the new wheels and see how it fits. But how can I not show them, Kev?
Wait till it's done.
Wait till it's done. Nah, I'll give him a little quick look from the back. Dude, it looks so good. Once again, we're gonna do a change of plans here. So we just threw the HREs on the car, and the fitment on it is a little weaker than expected. I'm not sure where the error arose from, but it's not that big of an issue. I could take it to HRE next week, and they could just redo the barrels, just add like a little bit more on it, and it will be fine. But I'm not too worried about it. We're gonna come back later today. I'm gonna show you the car before we leave, because I don't want to tease you guys that much. Damn. So the color is a gray, but it's not Nardo gray. I believe it's called Grigio Tellesto. It's a Lamborghini gray color. I might have butchered the name, I'm sorry if I did. We're going full Pandem on it. So we're running the big GT wing, we're running all the canards on it. So this is the v3.5 kit. So it's a little bit different than the original V3 kit. Here's the side profile of the car. Notice the monster green calipers. Now, it's actually not monster green. I don't know the official color off my head. I think it's close to Dr. M3's Aventador color. I think it's called Verde Ethica. The car looks like an absolute animal. It looks insane. But our fitment is like 1 inch to 2 inches weak in the rear and nearly the same thing in the front. Keep in mind at this moment, the car is aired up, so this isn't exactly what it looks like at riding level. The fitment isn't as bad as it is right now when aired up, but it's definitely not what we're looking for and definitely not what it's gonna look like. What the current plan is, due to the wheels not being perfect, because we can't rebarrel the wheels in 1 day or right now, Long's actually gonna have custom spacers made for the car so it makes everything flush. Spacers aren't ideal. It's definitely not what's gonna exist on this car forever, but that's how building cars goes. Sometimes you have some mishaps, and today we ran into one, but rather than freaking out like I normally do, we're just gonna adjust to what we can do at the moment and be okay with it. But 100% the car looks amazing, looks so mean. LTMW did a great job on the car. I'm super excited to get this home. We're gonna come back later today when we drive up to Slow tonight. I hate to leave her, but we're gonna come back later tonight. Ooh, I hate to leave it. I hate to leave it, but it's for the better. Here we got some new wheels for Sabrina's Matrix. We're super stoked on these. For the meantime, I just dropped off these wheels at the house because I really don't want to drive all the way back down to the warehouse just to drop them off. I will be selling these soon. As you can tell, there is a slight curb rash. This is like brand new, unfortunately. That happened when we were pulling the BRZ onto the trailer. The BRZ is so wide that just like the tip of the back left rear kind of scraped. Really unfortunate. But yeah, if anybody is looking for 3-piece BRZ wheels, Mine are for sale, I promise you. No one will have as crazy specs as these. I'll probably post specs about these somewhere on Instagram or on Twitter or something, but you could probably only run these if you have a V3 kit for a BRZ. I wouldn't really recommend getting these for like a V2 or V1. I mean, you could, and you can have them rebuilt. It's up to you. But those will soon be for sale. And I also took off the carbon fiber diffuser that I was running. This is a Rocket Bunny diffuser, but it's laid in carbon. It isn't authentic to Pandem, so I decided not to run it with the new Rocket Bunny kit. I don't know what I'll do with that. I'll probably end up just giving it away to somebody if they end up wanting it. I just got home, and look what I found.
Dude.
We just made our last pit stop before finally making our way back to LTMW. It's time to bring Miley home. After we pick up the car, we're gonna be driving up to San Luis Obispo. There's a car show on Saturday that we are attending because Mickey is the host of the event, I'm pretty sure. Like, he's the one who put it together for AccuAir. It's like a 5-hour drive, so rather than just going up for one day and like leaving that night and having it be a terrible day, we all just decided to go up as a big group and spend the weekend up there, kind of as like a little vacation getaway. So we're all pretty excited about it. Damn! Yeah, it's the GT wing.
Oh, dude, I didn't
Damn!
Arrow.
Damn! Yeah, so with the 3.5, they updated the arrow in the back. I never used to like it, but with that side plate, I think it looks really cool. That rear fitment is insane. Oh my god. So I think right now they're just trimming up the front bumper a little bit because our fitment is so aggressive in the front. We might have to do a different tire size later this week, so they need to trim some away. But it looks really good. Before we get back on the road, we gotta take some quick photos. Damn, it looks so good. In the rear end of the car, I normally am not a fan of the wing, but I actually kind of like it. When you have the wing with the rest of the arrow, I think it works. That looks so nasty. And right here is my favorite look. With both those brakes showing, dude, it looks so, I'm speechless. I'm so speechless. Oh my god. I want to see what this looks like aired out. Woo! All right, let's check it out.
The front barely fucking moves, dude. Rear.
I finally tucked front tire. The rear? Oh man! I gotta get a light on. Hold up. Oh my god.
You want to do this?
All right, so we are officially on the way. I can't describe how good it feels to be back in this car. I forgot how loud this car was. I just kind of like forgot all like the little like details about the way the car sounded, the way it felt. Feels good to be back. Now we have a 3-hour drive all the way to Pismo Beach. Here we go. First gassed fill up. Dude, this is the first time seeing the car in the light. It is insane. It's insane. And something that I never even noticed before is there's actually a metallic flake to this paint. Let me see if I can get it on camera here. It's not just a gloss color. There's, oh, there you can see it. There's actually a metallic flake. Dude, insanely cool. Oh my god. A little detail I haven't showed you guys yet is every Pandem v3.5 kit gets the owner's name engraved, so I have my name on my wing. How cool is that? All right, the baby's in the Airbnb.
Some good rooftop.
Give us a little tour, Kev.
So here, you know, we'll go outside first.
We out here.
Upstairs, rooftop.
What?
Area.
And then wait, that's another patio right there?
That's the grill right there. I don't want to go up because it's slippery.
We'll save it for another day.
Alright, dude. Did you come over here? You got the Jumba Kev room, Jumba and Alicia room. You got this measly full-size bed.
You guys gonna be cuddling, dude.
And then you come over here. You got a motherfucking, what is this? Is that a king?
It's a California king.
Us 4 sleeping in here.
You honestly could fit like 4
This
people.
looks like my room. I spy Sabrina's pillow. Rip Beckerman. 1 a.m. right now. Calvin and Emily won't be here till like 3 a.m. They left way later than us. Get wrecked. Alright, well everyone is now asleep. I'm gonna end this video in the garage with Miley. I'm so happy with how this car turned out. Change is good and I'm super, super happy with the new look of the car. Now if you think we're done, you are sadly mistaken. I hope you guys are just as stoked with the car as I am. I will see you guys first thing tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Peace out. and keep moving forward.
And I'm feeling